I'm going to do a quick walk around and show you Kaizen foam and all the different applications in FastCap. The first one, this is our tool panel that we're showing you here in our packaging areas. You can see we're missing a long nose marker, a tape measure, and a walkie-talkie. Very easy to see, but everything is very clear. We even have a GPS coordinate on all of our products here, so people know if they find them laying around, it goes back in this tool panel right here. But now I'm going to show you a couple different applications. Let's go look at another one. So now we're over in Paul Singh's area. This is POP room, and he also uses GPS. Now he just made a wood frame around his, similar to the other one. He's even got his notepad in there. So everything has a place, and he's burned little finger holes in here for removing it out, all very easily done. We even have the safety glasses. Look at the lenses don't get marked up. We used a power head screw right there. They just clip on and off there. So he's got a really clean tool panel, and of course he's got a GPS coordinated as well. Let's go look at some other ones. So now I'm over in engineering, and look what they've done. They're very creative. They've actually got a drawer that pulls out now, and their drawer is a push-pull, so it can pull out the other side or push in this side. And they've got all their tools in here, and it's very nicely organized. Looks like they've got a little bit of work here. They haven't quite finished that one, but they're always improving it. There it is, pushed out one side, and then so now we're out in the machine shop, and George has all of his files cut in. As you can see, he's missing a file there, and all the other files are there, but just pulls out very nicely, and away you go. And everything stays organized, and best of all, nothing moves around. Okay, so this is my desk, and this is my drawer, and I have all the tools that I need most of all. I have my eye pole right there, and I have my calipers and a small hammer and a knife and a couple tape measures, my guitar tuner, a couple markers. Very simple, very easy to do. Okay, now I'm over at Jenny's desk. Jenny, let's see yours real quick, okay? All right. You've got a really nice drawer. You've actually got your push pins actually just setting right there. You got a paper clip spot. You got everything done, and you're missing a pen right here, but that's the pen you're using. Wow. You mean you don't have a big pencil jar?
No, I don't like pencil jars. They're messy.
I know. Isn't this clean? Another great job of Kaizen. Okay, here's another favorite one. John's in here, our general manager. John, show us your Kaizen foam. It's on the wall here.
Yeah, this is actually a prototype. We actually have them now, so you'll see it's two-tone. So
that's right. We have the layered.
So when you pull it out, you can actually see the shadow of what's missing.
Wow, and you got a mirror up there. Is that because you're vain? What's the deal with the mirror there, John?
Anytime I want to get in my Bono mode, I go like,
oh, I see. And you're set, and no going to the bathroom, so you save some time.
That's right. Well,
right?
I got to check my nose hairs.
Right on. Remember, lean is fun, and Brady knows how to make it fun. Kaizen foam. Let's check out your desk, Brady. Wow. Barbecue sauce?
Barbecue sauce.
You've got to be kidding. You got barbecue sauce in here.
Absolutely.
And his keys, his wallet, he's got everything in here. Even his tea, nothing moves around, hyper organized, sorted through all the ancillary things that he doesn't need. Brady does have a pencil jar. We're going to work on him. He'll get rid of that before long. Thanks, Brady. Okay, here's another great area. This is our cutting mat area in our graphic design. We have our laminator. But here we just put the foam right on the countertop, as you can see. But we did it a little differently, because before we always lay everything flat, but here we actually have the scissors on angle, so it's actually the way you would grab them. So number one, we're using less room. Number two, more ergonomic, easier to grab, and you see that we have a lot of things laid out that way, including the X-Acto knife. You just pull it out and you put it right back in. We burn that hole in there. We even have a Kanban card for the X-Acto knife. So when you get down to this one, you reorder, the card is slit right into the back of the foam along with the glue sticks. It's a very cool system of using Kaizen foam. Hopefully that helps to show you all the great applications on how you can use this product. One of the things I love about Kaizen foam is how versatile it is. This is my backpack that I travel with. I simply took a piece of Kaizen foam and cut all my electronics gear right into it, my stylus, my iPole, my tripod, my GoPro camera, but on the other side I put my shaving kit. It's that simple, and I cut everything in very tightly, so all I did was chamfer the edge so it slides into the backpack easily. You slide it in and you're ready to go. Hey Jenny, I heard you were holding out on me that you had something else in your drawer. What is it?
You caught me, Paul. I have my secret stash of candy.
Oh my, you just cut that thin and you went ahead and made a lid? Jenny!
Shh, don't tell anyone.
The Kaizen foam is available in 2 by 4 foot pieces. It's also available in 3 foot by 8 foot pieces, and there are 3 different thicknesses and there's 3 different colors. So let's take a look at that real quick. Okay, So we have 3/4, 1 inch, and 2 inch. All these sizes are approximate, and this is for black. We have the same sizes for white. Notice all the fine layering in there. That allows you to tear it out very easily. And lastly, we have our new foam, which has a white core, black on the top, black on the bottom, which is really nice, and it's available also in the 2x4 foot size or the 3x8, only in the 2 inch thickness. We recommend you get the long nose pattern marker from FastCap. This is one of our products. It's very nice because it has this long tip on there, which allows you to do a really nice job of tracing around things. So you can make it look really clean. And then cutting it out is just so simple. And even though we're not going to need to cut this out, you can see how we can get down in that deep spot right there in the handle. And there it is. Now all we have to do is take our knife and cut it out. One other thing though is we recommend you use a utility knife. This happens to be our product as well. You can use any utility knife. And the nice thing is when you go to cut in, just stay on the inside of the black line. And it doesn't matter if you go too deep because you're only going to tear out the layers you need. And see how you just work around that corner just like that? Just keep flexing it around. And you're done. So if you want your drawers to look like this and you want to be hyper organized and you never want to have to search for anything again, make sure you get Kaizen foam from FastCap. You're going to love this product.